Arif. Arif, wake up.
What is it? It's still dark.
Wake up properly. Do you smell that?
Smoke. Why do I smell smoke?
Yes. There's smoke everywhere. I think something is burning.
Oh God, you're right. The room is full of smoke.
Arif, I'm scared. What's happening?
Stay calm, Mira. Let me check the kitchen.
No. Don't go alone. Be careful.
I'll be quick. Stay here and keep low.
Arif. Please don't take risks.
Mira. The stove area is on fire.
Fire? Oh my God.
The flames are spreading fast.
What do we do? Should we try to put it out?
No, it's too big now. We need to get out.
But our documents, photos, everything is inside.
Listen to me. Nothing is more important than your life.
My hands are shaking. I can't think.
Look at me. Breathe slowly. We will get through this together.
Okay, okay. What should I take?
Just your phone and keys if they're nearby.
My phone is on the bedside table.
Grab it. Don't take anything else.
Arif, the smoke is burning my eyes.
Cover your nose with your scarf. Stay low.
Like this?
Yes. Now hold my hand. Don't let go.
I won't. I'm holding you tightly.
The exit is near. Follow my steps. Don't look back. Just keep moving.
Arif, what if we don't make it?
Don't say that. We will make it. Trust me.
I trust you. I always have.
Watch your step. There's broken glass here.
I almost slipped.
I've got you. Slow down.
Thank you for staying calm.
I'm scared too, Mira. But panic won't help us.
The door, can you open the door?
It's hot, but it's opening.
Hurry, Arif.
Go first.
No, you go first.
We don't have time to argue. Go.
Okay.
I'm right behind you.
We're out.
Thank God. Are you okay?
I think so. I'm coughing, but I'm okay.
Sit down. Don't stand.
Arif, our house, it's burning.
I know. Don't look at it too much.
Everything we built, our memories.
I know it hurts. But you're alive. That's enough for me.
I feel guilty for thinking about things.
It's normal. This was our home.
Should we call the fire brigade?
Yes. I'll call them right now.
I'll call the neighbors for help.
Good idea.
Please come quickly. Our house is on fire.
The fire brigade is on the way.
My legs feel weak.
Lean on me. Sit here.
Arif, thank you for not leaving my hand.
I promised you on our wedding day, I'll never leave you.
I remember. I was smiling, but I was nervous.
And I was pretending to be brave.
Just like tonight.
Yes, just like tonight.
What if the fire spreads to other houses?
The fire brigade will control it. Don't worry.
I wish we had installed that smoke alarm earlier.
We kept delaying it. We learned the hard way.
I feel so stupid.
Don't blame yourself. Accidents happen.
Arif. I realized something tonight.
What?
When everything was burning, I didn't think about money or things.
What did you think about?
I thought, I just want him to be safe.
Mira.
I don't care if we have to start from zero.
Neither do I. As long as we are together.
The sirens. I can hear them.
Yes. Help is here.
Thank God.
Hold my hand. You're still shaking.
I think the fear is leaving my body now.
Let it go. You're safe now.
Arif, promise me something.
Anything.
Promise we'll never take life for granted again.
I promise.
Promise we'll say I love you more often.
I love you, Mira.
I love you too.
And I promise, we'll rebuild everything.
Together.
Always together.
Even if the house is gone.
Our home is still here.
And here.
The fire took walls, not our bond.
I'm ready to face whatever comes next.
So am I.
Thank you for saving my life.
Thank you for trusting me.
Tonight changed everything.
Yes, it reminded us what truly matters.